Your windows play a crucial role in your home's overall comfort, energy efficiency, and appearance. However, like all things, they have a lifespan. If you're a property owner in Dallas, keeping your windows in optimal condition is essential due to the region's diverse climate, which ranges from hot summers to cold winters. Here are the top signs that you need to consider window replacement for your Dallas property. Higher energy bills. One of the first signs that it may be time to replace your windows is a noticeable increase in your energy bills. Drafty or inefficient windows can allow air to leak in or out of your home, forcing your HVAC system to work harder to maintain a comfortable temperature. If you notice your heating and cooling costs are rising, upgrading to energy-efficient windows can reduce energy consumption and lower your bills. Difficulty opening or closing windows. Over time, windows can become difficult to open and close due to warping, rust, or worn-out parts. This can be caused by prolonged exposure to Dallas's hot, humid climate or other wear and tear. Windows that stick or require excessive force to operate may pose a safety risk during emergencies and indicate that your windows are no longer functioning as they should. Replacing them can restore smooth operation and provide better security. Visible damage or decay. Inspect your windows for signs of physical damage, such as cracks, chips, water damage, or rot, especially in wooden frames. Exposure to moisture can cause wood to decay, while harsh sun exposure can make materials brittle. Damaged windows not only look unattractive but also compromise the structural integrity of your property and reduce energy efficiency. Replacing worn-out windows with new, durable options can improve your home's appearance and longevity. Condensation between the panes. Condensation or fogging between window panes indicates that the window's seal has failed. When this happens, moisture can get trapped between the layers of glass, reducing the effectiveness of the window's insulation. This is especially problematic in double or triple pane windows, as a broken seal diminishes their ability to regulate indoor temperatures. Replacing windows with failed seals can restore insulation and improve comfort. Drafts and air leaks. Do you feel a draft near your windows even when they're closed? Air leaks are a common sign that your windows are no longer sealing properly. Drafty windows can make it difficult to maintain a consistent temperature, resulting in discomfort and higher energy costs. Replacing drafty windows with modern, well-sealed options can enhance your property's energy efficiency and keep your indoor environment more comfortable. Excessive noise from outside. If you can hear a lot of outside noise even when your windows are closed, it may be time for an upgrade. Older windows with single-pane glass or poor insulation often do little to block out sound. Upgrading to double or triple pane windows designed for noise reduction can create a quieter, more peaceful indoor environment, a valuable benefit in busy areas of Dallas. Faded furniture, carpets, or flooring. If you notice that your furniture, carpets, or flooring are fading due to sun exposure, it may be a sign that your windows are not providing adequate UV protection. Modern windows often come with special coatings that block harmful UV rays, reducing fading and protecting your interior furnishings. Upgrading your windows can preserve your home's aesthetics and help you avoid costly replacements. Old or outdated style windows that are outdated can make your property look tired or unattractive. Modern window designs not only enhance the appearance of your home but also come with advanced technology for better performance. If your windows no longer complement your home's style or if you want to improve its curb appeal, window replacement is a smart investment that can increase the value and marketability of your property. Water leaks and moisture buildup. Water leaks around windows can lead to mold and mildew growth, damaging your home's structure and posing health risks. Moisture intrusion is often a sign of failed seals or damaged frames. Replacing leaking windows with properly installed, watertight models can prevent further damage, improve indoor air quality, and keep your home dry. Drafty window frames and gaps. Inspect your window frames for signs of warping, gaps, or damage. Frames that no longer fit snugly in their openings can let in air, moisture, and pests, reducing your home's energy efficiency and security. Window replacement can address these issues and provide you with a better seal against the elements. Conclusion: if you've noticed any of these signs in your Dallas property, it may be time to consider window replacement. Upgrading your windows can improve energy efficiency, comfort, security, and curb appeal while protecting your home from the elements. With modern window options available, you can find solutions that fit your budget and enhance your home's overall performance. Don't wait. Addressing window issues now can save you money and provide long-term peace of mind.